Andrew McNulty and Mari Newman are attorneys representing Green.
The moment that Susan Green tried to take a picture of the badge of the police officer.
Step away or you'll be arrested for interference.
Ow! He grabbed her by the arm, roughly handcuffed her.
Stand up straight. Let's act like a lady. Stand up and act like a lady.
And told her to act like a lady.
Are you kidding me?
Nope.
They act like a lady?
There you go. Now you can go to jail.
On July 5th, 2018, Susan Green, editor of the Colorado Independent, was driving along near the Colorado State Capitol building when she noticed Denver police surrounding a nearly naked black man sitting handcuffed on the sidewalk, and stopped to see what was happening. Green is an investigative reporter who has written extensively about police brutality and incidents in which black men have been killed by law enforcement. And she wanted to document how police were treating this man, who it turns out did nothing illegal, but was likely the victim of a crime. When Green approached the scene, she was immediately blocked by Officer James Brooks. Brooks blocked her from recording the scene. Let's take a look and see what happens.
This is protected by HIPAA. You can't record here and you can't.
Information Privacy and Protection Act.
There's also a First Amendment. Have you heard of it?
Well, that doesn't supersede HIPAA.
Want to bet? The Constitution trumps any law that's found to be in direct violation of the Constitution. Not only that, HIPAA laws don't even apply to a regular person. They only apply to people in the healthcare professional field that are entrusted with the security and privacy of our health records. But that hasn't stopped cops from trying to use that against people trying to film accident scenes or other healthcare crises.
It doesn't supersede HIPAA. Just step away or you'll be arrested for interference.
Notice how it wasn't until she started recording his name badge that these police officers got grabby and took away her phone and arrested her.
Step away or you'll be arrested for interference.
Unlawfully seizing a camera or deleting its footage is a violation of Colorado Revised Statute 13-21.128 and can result in a civil penalty of up to $15,000, payable directly out of the police officer's own pocket.
Ow!
Stand up straight. Let's act like a lady.
Stand up and act like a lady.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Nope.
They act like a lady?
Just how should a lady act while being unlawfully arrested for doing her job?
There you go. Now you can go to jail.
There we go. Perfect. We're going to go over here to this car. No, come on.
Notice how they're twisting her arms high up behind her back. Now listen to Tweedledee and Tweedledum as they continue to simply repeat each other.
It's being recorded. It's being recorded.
Stop!
641 Charlie, 640 Chatham.
You are hurting me!
Well, walk. Stop resisting.
Stop resisting. Just relax your body and walk normal.
Yes, just walk.
That's all you gotta do. Stop trying to throw your weight. Now, you're gonna sit in the car and we're gonna put the seatbelt on, okay?
Have a seat in the car, please.
When I'm told to stop doing something for reasons that are just unjust and illegal, then I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to budge. There's too much at stake here.
The press's job is to be a bulwark between government and oppression. And Miss Green was doing just that when she was out there filming on the sidewalk.
Stop hurting me.
Charlie 64 Chatham.
You are hurting me.
No, we're not. Then walk. Walk normal. Stop resisting. Just relax your body and walk normal. That's all you got to do. Stop trying to throw your weight. Now, you're going to sit in the car and we're going to put the seatbelt on, okay? Sit in the car. You guys mind running her down real quick and we'll drop her off at the DVC?
Okay.
We'll just do it.
What's happening with? He's just gonna go to the hospital.
Oh, okay. Alright. There's no Tokyo Joe's around here.
Yeah,
so
13th and Grant.
13th.
I was gonna call for a car, but then she started interjecting herself.
What did you need?
So can we get another car to?
I'll go cruise up there and see if I
Okay.
can find him.
He says a blue shirt or blue cut-off shorts and a blue shirt. Shorts have like a green stripe, I think it was. Thanks.
You want to call Sarge out for interference?
Yeah, we can do that.
Fortunately, one cop had the foresight and intelligence to call a sergeant out to talk about the interference charge. The sergeant obviously set them straight and told them that they had totally screwed up, because she was let out of the back of the car only 10 minutes later with no charges. What about charges being brought up against these officers? Well, apparently they can't be charged with false imprisonment, because in Colorado, there's a special exception for police, and they cannot ever be charged with false imprisonment.
District Attorney's Office, who said there is insufficient evidence to charge and prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the officer's conduct constituted criminal offenses. And again, Denver police say they're still going through that ongoing internal investigation.
Since this incident, the Denver police have issued a training bulletin that outlines their First Amendment policies, and they've also issued a training requirement bulletin requiring the officers to review all the First Amendment policies of the department.